Let's discuss question number 17 from test 4. This is from fluid mechanics. Well, a pipe of 20 centimeters dia. So this is 0.2 meters and length is 30 kilometers. It transports oil from a tanker with a shore with the velocity 0.318 meters per second. Well, density is not given. Okay, the flow is laminar and mu is 0.1. This is dynamic viscosity. So dynamic viscosity is Newton second per meter square. Okay, and what is asked is the power required for the flow. Okay, now power required, because it's laminar flow, we can write power required in terms of head loss. Okay, so mass flow rate into G is the weight flow rate into head loss, HF is the power required, because it's basically the energy that is wasted in friction per second in order to overcome friction. That is the power required. Okay, required for the flow to take place. So m dot is rho q into G HF. HF from the Darcy-Weisbach factor can be written as FLV square by 2G D. F for a laminar flow, F is given as 64 by Reynolds number, which is friction factor is 64 by Re, which is rho Vd by mu. So if I substitute that here, I get rho Qg. F is 64 mu by rho Vd into Lv square by 2Gd. So let's see what gets cancelled. Rho and rho gets cancelled. G gets cancelled and I get 32 mu L V square, and V gets cancelled. There's one V here, so 32 mu VL, 32 mu VL by D square into Q. So this is what I get, 32 mu VL by D square. So Q can be, again, is the flow rate, which can be written as pi by 4 area of cross section into velocity, so pi by 4 d square v. So this can be written as 8 pi d square gets cancelled mu v square L. So this is the expression for the power. So if I substitute the values, 8 pi mu is 0.1, v is 0.318 whole square into length, which is 30 kilometers, so 30 into 10 power 3. So when I use a calculator, I get a value 7.63 kilowatt. So the answer for this is C. So it's direct. Basically, if you start from this, you should know how HF is expressed in terms of this Darcy-Weisbach equation, and F is related to Reynolds number for laminar flow. So it all boils down to a very simple formula. Thank you. Answer is C.